Trying a variety of products all in the bid to beat acne could be causing you more harm than good. Those serums, creams and what have you, should be replaced with a nature-based remedy like honey. Don't click off yet, because merely spreading honey on your face with a wooden spoon may not do the trick. The first question would be, why honey? Well, honey is well known in the beauty and cosmetic niche for its antibacterial properties, antioxidant benefits, exfoliating properties and strong healing tendencies, making honey the perfect solution for dealing with acne, skin blemishes, oily skin, skin aging, eczema and even blackheads. Choosing the right type of honey is the key, as its virtues are linked to the flowers chosen by the bees. In treating acne, any kind of raw honey would do the job thanks to its enzymatic production of hydrogen peroxide. Just make sure that your choice of honey is labeled as raw, or natural, or unheated, or unprocessed. Because honey that isn't raw loses its antibacterial properties during the processing phase. Thyme and Manuka honey are arguably the best and most effective options. Manuka honey in particular, though expensive, but is used by doctors in clinical settings. Applying honey to your face for treating acne may seem fairly simple, but the best ways to apply it are: you can mix your preferred facial mask brand with honey. The reason for doing it this way is that it will allow you to both take advantage of its benefits and personalize them to your skin type. It's vital that the honey you use still contains its healthy bacteria to be effective. This will activate your immune system and help with inflammation and redness, as well as heal blemishes. Another way is by preparing your own honey face mask by mixing 3 spoons of raw honey with 1 spoon of cinnamon powder or 3 spoons of honey with 1 spoon of green clay. Use a microwave to slightly warm the mixture. Apply to your skin and leave the mixture on for 10 minutes. Then rinse off completely using warm water and pat your skin dry. Yet another alternative is, after washing your face with soap and water, apply Manuka honey or any other raw honey to your face. If you like, you could dilute the honey with purified water or yogurt or ground oats or brown sugar or mashed bananas, to make it less sticky and easier to remove. Leave the honey on your skin for 10 minutes before rinsing off. Furthermore, honey can help fade or erase acne scars, by applying it every other day as a paste where you have scar. I know raw honey is more expensive than other kinds of honey, but it's relatively inexpensive when compared to other skin cosmetics for your face. Still constantly battling with acne? Then use honey face masks as a part of your beauty routine, for desired results. If you have allergic reactions to pollen or other bee-related products, you should stay clear of using honey on your skin. Whether you are making the honey mixture yourself or you are buying already made product, always test it on a small area of your skin, to see if you're allergic. You should immediately discontinue use if you experience rashes, bumps, hives, worsened acne, or increased inflammation. More severe acne blemishes might require prescription medications such as Accutane, or other effective options like chemical peels, laser therapy, and light therapy. In summary, if you're looking for a natural, long-lasting and effective remedy, honey might be a great place to start, but still there are plenty of other options out there. If you are skeptical about honey or you have other questions, speaking to your dermatologist to determine which treatment is best suited for your needs will be helpful. For more health tips, check out our other videos. Also like, subscribe and share. Remember to always stay healthy, and see you tomorrow in my next video.